To start managing your social media accounts with Hootsuite, you'll first need to add them to the dashboard. By adding your accounts to Hootsuite, you'll be able to compose, schedule, and publish messages, as well as engage with your audience, view analytics, and much more. If you're an individual Hootsuite user, get started by clicking your profile picture, selecting Manage Social Networks, and then add a private network. If you're using Hootsuite to manage social accounts on behalf of an organization, click your profile picture, Manage Social Networks, then Manage next to your organization name. Now click Add a Social Network. Next, select your network, enter your credentials, and click Sign In. Adding a Facebook business page involves 2 steps. First, sign in with the personal account of an administrator for the business page. Second, select the business page you want to connect. When connecting a Facebook or YouTube account, be sure to accept the additional permission prompts. You'll also need to select the specific accounts you'd like to add, such as pages or groups for Facebook or companies for LinkedIn.